Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Inshot and creating a new video project so your workspace is ready. Import the clips you need and long press to reorder them into the rough sequence you want. This matters because cutting later is faster when shots flow. Once done, set the aspect ratio, 16:9, square, or vertical, so your trims match output. Make sure audio tracks are muted or flagged if you plan to replace sound, because cutting without checking audio leads to sync issues later. You now move into precise trimming and splitting to shape your story. Position the playhead where you want to cut and tap split. That removes unwanted segments while keeping clip timing intact. Drag the clip edges to trim start or end and zoom to 0. One's increments when fine-grained edits matter. Once done, use multi-select to group delete, move, or export chosen parts so you don't repeat actions. Also, unlink audio if you need separate sound adjustments to maintain sync and clarity. You finish by polishing transitions, titles, and audio so the cut feels seamless. Add short transitions only where needed, overusing them slows pacing. Once done, preview the full timeline to check continuity and audio levels. Make sure dialogue isn't clipped by music. When satisfied, export with the right resolution and frame rate for your platform. Select bitrate for quality versus file size. If previews show stutters or sync drift, clear cache or restart the app. Re-import the problematic clip and repeat the split step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.